How to become a member of YouTube. Hey guys, let's get started. Becoming a member of YouTube channel allows you to support your favorite creators and get access to exclusive perks. It could be badges, emojis, and members only content. If you want to become a member of YouTube channel, on your mobile phone the steps are simple. First of all, you have to launch the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in into your account. After that, from the search bar, go to the channel that you want to be a part of or be the member of. On the channel's homepage or any on the channel's video, you should see a join button next to the subscribe button. If you can't see the join button on the channel or any other YouTube channel, the reason could be geographic restrictions, account type, age restrictions, app version, or the browser issue. However, if it is available, you can just tap on the join button, which will take you to another page from where there are different membership levels and their perks. Select the level and then it will prompt you to the payment details. Give in all of your confirmation details and then you can confirm your purchase of the membership. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you got any queries, do not forget to drop on the comment section.